Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. If this is your first time here, my name is iluvsarahii, and in today's video, we are diving into some products. So I recently had the most amazing opportunity to go to Milan with Estee Lauder for the launch of a new nighttime skincare product. Now, if you guys have been with me for a while, you will know that the Advance Night Repair Serum has been a holy grail product in my night care routine, and I was so honored to be able to go out there with them for the launch of their new, drumroll, for their new Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. So if you guys thought this was good, this together is literally a dream. There is so much I need to talk to you guys about, which is why I decided to do a video just on these two, as well as a recap of the trip in Milan. So while we were out there, we were able to attend this beautiful event that was tied around this launch, and I was also able to attend this class with some of the scientists that work behind these products. So you guys, I am really excited to talk about these, but like I said, I do want to share with you guys a recap of the trip and the most amazing experience that I had out there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and roll the footage. Oh my gosh, how amazing was the footage from the event? I literally could not believe how beautiful it was. Now, one of the things that was really cool at the event is when you got there, you got to choose two cards. One of the cards either said going out or staying in. And of course, I got going out. I don't think we're shocked by that. I'm always going out. I'm always out and about, traveling, not sleeping, working really late. I'm just always out. That's just my life. But if there's one thing that I never ever skip when I get home is my night care routine. I will always take time to myself to break down my makeup and really give my skin all the love that it needs. I'm a firm believer that it's gonna reflect the way your skin looks in the morning. And if there's one thing that I never skip in my nighttime routine, that is using my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex. This has been a holy grail product of mine that I love to call my little youth potion. It is what's keeping my skin looking a lot more radiant, a lot more youthful, and of course more plumped. It has hyaluronic acid in here as well, which is going to lock in tons of moisture, and I really feel this is one of the key products that is making that possible. But if there's a glow that I wake up to in the morning, I know it is from the serum, because it is so powerful and works with all these antioxidants and of course hyaluronic acid to really plump, give your skin the radiance. Now, one of the reasons also I continue using this, and I'm pulling it up right now because I think it's important to know this, is that this product supports skin's natural nighttime renewal, paired the visible impact of modern life, lack of sleep, blue light, pollution, UV, and ozone. And this would be a product that you'd apply right after your cleansing and toning. You would do this and just kind of press it onto your hands and then pat it into the skin, work it around, and then whatever's left, I usually just pat it into my neck area. So that is that on the Advanced Night Repair Serum. I do have a link for it down below if you guys want to check it out. So now we're going to talk about the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. So this right here is a overnight treatment that helps to reset and restart your skin. It's irritated, if it's stressed, if it's going through it and you need that rescue product product that is going to pick you right back up and get you back in shape overnight, this is gonna be it for you. It's packed with 15 times more hyaluronic acid complex in here that is gonna give you 24 hours of hydration. So you guys know this is my youth potion, this is my magic potion. So I've been using this since I had a chance to play with it in Milan. And let me tell you, the first night that I applied it on, I woke up and ended up using it in the morning in my daycare routine. And I told the girls, and they kind of laughed, but they're like, you know what? The girls at the office do that. People love it so much. It's a really nice, kind of silky formula. It's not heavy at all, but it's also not lightweight. It's like this really nice silky formula that just melts into the skin, but you can immediately see and feel the difference. What I love about this too is if you pair it with the serum, it works as a duo. It kind of seals this down. It kind of activates all the ingredients together. Lastly, what makes both of these products very unique is the Chronolux technology that is infused in both of these. So this one has Chronolux CP, which is actually going to help synchronize your cells and maximize the power of your skin renewal overnight. And then the concentrate has the Chronolux SOS technology. So it's going to help soothe out stressed skin. It's going to help to calm it down, relax it, but again, help out with the redness and irritation. So one thing about this that I was told, and I feel it's important for me to tell you guys too, is that this is the product that you, again, can use every night, but for the most part, just want to use it when you are going through it. Time of the month, traveling, super stressed out, exams going on. This is what you're going to want to use. So I am super excited about this because I've heard of concentrates so much, but I've never really been intrigued to many of them or never really known how to use them. Being able to include this in a night care routine without having to change what I already have, just adding this as that extra topper, but also resetting my skin, it's just kind of sealing the deal for me. So the way this will be applied is right after the serum, you put this right on top of there and you just want to do about 2 pumps and pat it into the skin. And then from there, you would go on with your moisturizer. If you feel this is enough moisturizer for you, you could stick with that alone. But being me, I do always like just a little bit of moisturizer, so I'll just tap it on top of there. And that is it. I wake up with plumped, glowing, radiant, healthy looking skin, and I'm all about that. So as I mentioned to you guys, passionate about night care because you will wake up with glowing, radiant, beautiful skin. Next day, your makeup just glides on better. Everything slips on nicer. You know, there's days where my skin looks so great, I don't even want to put makeup on. I just do a quick brow, a quick lash, a lip, a little concealer, and that is it. I'll stay away from applying anything because I'm in love with the natural radiance my skin is giving. It's coming from within, and I feel, you know, using the right products, and of course, drinking my water, you know, a healthy, nice, balanced diet. All of that kind of just goes hand in hand. If you guys would like a night care routine, a little more in depth, and share with you guys from the breakdown of my night care, from like cleansing my makeup off, and then going into any kind of exfoliants I may use, and then these, and then the moisturizer, let me know. Even like when I wake up, show you guys how my skin looks. I think that's also very important to see. Do you look dry in the morning, or are you glowing and radiant like an angel? That is what we want. So if you guys were like that, please let me know in the comments down below. Definitely be sure to check out these products, guys, if you can. I did add links down below so you can check them out for yourself and also get more information on there if I missed anything. But if you guys have any questions for me, be sure to leave them down below so I can respond to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini video, including the vlog. And if you guys did, be sure to give me a thumbs up so that I know, and also leave me a sweet comment down below. So with that being said, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.